Still moving around a little bit. What do you think, sweetie pie? Huh? Do you like being the star of the show? Huh? Yeah. She does.
Really, really bad feng shui.
Move her head a little bit.
She's pressing against my hand as it is.
There we go.
There's your grandpa. Your plus is high. Yeah, that plus is high. And she's got some pressure on there. She wants to look that way. Don't you? Oh.
Darren, I think we've got next America's Top Model or whatever. Posing for the camera over here.
Yeah. And her hiccups are over. That's good.
I may deserve a check in a few minutes.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I mean, did Karina just throw down the Amex and buy the whole store?
There you go. That's better, isn't it? Get that out of there. Is that right? Is that a good idea to get that
Other
out
than
of
the
there?